Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You cut power and weight. This protects you and the board. Once unplugged, remove the magnetic base and the 4 Torx screws. Keep each screw group separate so reassembly is straightforward. Next, lift the outer shell from the top edge. Use even pressure and a plastic pry tool if needed. You want to feel clips release without cracking the plastic. Once the shell lifts, set it aside on a soft, static-free surface so you can reach the internal shroud and fan assembly safely. You now focus on the internal shroud that channels airflow. Removing it gives direct fan access. First, remove the 6/8 internal Torx fasteners securing the shroud and note their positions. Once screws are out, locate and carefully disconnect any ribbon cables and the fan power connector. Press the latch, don't tug. Then lift the shroud and heatsink as a single unit, sliding upward to expose the fan. Take your time here. Uneven force can bend the heatsink fins or stress connectors, so keep motions slow and controlled. You're at the final mechanical step. Remove the fan screws and note the airflow orientation and connector position so you reinstall correctly. Replace the fan or clean blades and bearings. When you seat the replacement, make sure the power connector clicks fully and the cable routes match the original path. Once reinstalled, reassemble the shroud and outer shell in reverse order. Loosely fit screws then torque evenly. If the console doesn't spin, check that the fan connector is.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.